Welcome, Class 10 students. Get ready for a quick, impactful revision. Let's revise the entire chapter in 2 minutes. This rapid-fire recap is your secret weapon for the board exams. First, let's nail down the definitions of acids and bases. Acids are sour to taste and turn blue litmus paper red. Bases are bitter, feel soapy, and turn red litmus paper blue. Remember, indicators like litmus and phenolphthalein help us identify them safely. Now let's quickly recap the crucial chemical reactions involving acids and bases. Acid reacts with a metal to produce salt and hydrogen gas. Similarly, a base reacts with a metal to also yield salt and hydrogen gas. Acid plus a carbonate gives salt, carbon dioxide, and water. Remember the fizz, the most important one. Acid plus base gives salt and water. This is neutralization. Understanding their common properties is key. Acids release hydrogen ions, H, or hydronium ions, H3O, when dissolved in water. Bases release hydroxide ions, OH, in water. The pH scale is vital for daily life and your exams. pH less than 7 is acidic, pH greater than 7 is basic, and pH equals 7 is neutral. Its importance spans digestion, tooth decay, acid rain, and even insect stings. Finally, let's quickly review the common salts and their uses. Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is common salt. Sodium bicarbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, is baking soda. Sodium carbonate decahydrate, sodium carbonate 10H2O, is washing soda. Calcium oxychloride, CaOCl2, is bleaching powder. And finally, calcium sulfate hemihydrate. Calcium sulfate 1/2 hydrogen oxide is plaster of Paris, used in casts and sculptures. Acids, bases, and salts are not just theory. They're part of daily life, health, and industries. Revise these reactions and examples well, and you'll master this chapter for your board exams. Good luck.